Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone. How are you? It's me Farooq Khan from UAE Tech Support. Today I want to show you top 15 application in UAE in Dubai. So this application will be very helpful, and here you can see this application will I will review. So this application really nice application. So let's start my video and we will go in mobile screen. So let's start. So guys, my first application is name is private for video downloading for on your iPhone. So this application really cool application. So here you can see the all the social media. You can download any videos from iPhone. So my second application is Dubai Now. This application also really very good. This application will help you for pay all the bills, and you can recharge. You can put your driving license, housing, residence, and there is a lot of things you can do, like you can pay the DEWA bill, kaizala, traffic fines, NOLS card. So here a lot of things you can do, and this application will help you for everywhere. So my third application is Supermail. This application for food delivering in UAE. This application really cool application. So here we go to open. Let's see some. So this application will deliver food delivering. See, you can see they have a higher cashback on restaurant. There is a 30% cashback. There is 20% cashback, and they will deliver very fast. And at your home, you can see there is lot of offers. So this application really good. You can try it. So guys, my fourth application is RTA Dubai. So let's start. So here you can see the dashboard of RTA. Here you can see the salik. You can pay the salik, and you can see and you can check the balance. And there is parking. You can pay the parking, and there is license, driving licensing, and vehicles fines. There is lot of things. Metro, Nolka, taxi. There is lot of things you can do, and this application really good also. So I recommend you also download this application. So my fifth application is ECar. This application is for if you want to rent some car. So you go ahead this application, just download, and you can rent a car from this company. So here you go. Here you go, you can see the your current location. Just go back little, and if you go back little, you can see there is lot of car, and there is some logo for E. It's mean there is all the cars is available here. So if you want to rent car, so just click on here the which car you want to rent. So here just you can booking with your debit card. Okay, so install this application also to rent a car. So my number six application is Kaizala. This Kaizala application for video calling. It's good working, and you can try it. And this application from Microsoft, Kaizala Microsoft. So here you have to register on your mobile number and your name. so you can enjoy this application. And this application really good at working, and HD calling, and free. So my seventh application is Dubai Police. Here you go, open. So the application is open already. So this application also really good from Dubai Police, and you can check your any fines from Dubai Police, any car, your license, everything you can do. And this is the you can complain, you can take the safety for home security, everything is there. This application also really good. So I am always using this application, so I hope you will install also this application, Dubai Police. Just write on Apple Store, just Dubai Police, you can use this application. So my number 8 application is Aramex. This application is for courier. You can, if you order something or your any parcel, they can deliver on your home. So just we click to open here. So here you can see the, if you have any delivery, it will show here, and they will send you message on WhatsApp. And this application really also good, because I am using also this application. So Aramex courier. So this you can see the all the delivery, you can track which time they will come, and you can see everything here. And this application really good, I'm recommending you than other apps. So my ninth application is Share. This from Dubai Carrefour. If you buying something, you can earn the points. Like just will open here. So here you can see the I have 76 points. I have 7 dirham, more than 7 dirham. So this application will help you to earn some points from, if you buying for your home or for yourself. So this application will help give you some points and like money. So here you can see example, if you buying from Carrefour, Bug Cinema, there is lot of option you can buy. Example, Lulu, then Dubai Emirates Mall, City Center, then all of the outlet you can use this code, then you can earn the points. So my 10th application is Amazon. So this application also good, and I know everyone they knows this application, and really helpful application, and the quality everything is good, because I was trying the other souk.com, they have other application, but it's not good. But this application really good, and to help you buy the original quality. So this application also I'm using. So you can see everything you can buy here. For buying, if you want to buy something, just buy from Amazon. So my 11th application is mohre. This application for the Ministry of Labor in UAE. So this application will help you if you are in UAE. If you're in UAE, you can check your visa, you can check your labor card, and if you want to check your work permit, there is a lot of option to check, and you can check your transaction status, and there is many more option please try it. So my 12th application is Dxbuy. This application, if you have any shop, restaurant, or any groceries, if you want to buy something for like restaurants or salons, everywhere you can use, and this is a good price you will find here. Please try it. So my 13th application is Emirates NBD Bank. This is for banking. This application also for banking. If you want to open account, or if you want to cash, you want to deposit money, so you can use this application, Emirates NBD. So this application also very good, you can try it. So here you can see the interface of them. Just you can if you want to apply for a new account, just click on here and apply and enjoy this application, Emirates NBD. My 14th application is I Want to Work. This application for if you are job seekers, for if you are job seekers, for you need this one. So this application also really cool and working very good, and in UAE #1 application. So here you can see all the red colors. These red colors means they have vacancy of on this red color. Just click on here, you can see all the details, what kind of work, and then what is the designation, and what is the offer. Everything you can see here, and you can contact with them. There is a lot of jobs here. If you are still looking for a job, please install this application and enjoy this application for your life. So this is a 15 application, the last application. So this application is 2GIS. This application same like for location, Google Maps. So this application, why I want to show you, because this application without internet you can use, because if you are looking for a job or any if you are driving, so you need this application. Please install this application, so it will help you for everywhere. So this application will work without internet. So here you can see even the buildings, then you can see. So it's a good application, because I recommend you for using than other application they need internet. Okay, so this application without internet you can use, promise. I'm using also this application.